Hello, Professor. Thank you for accepting the interview.
Okay.
State your name and title, please.
My name is Kang, and I'm assistant professor of Civil Engineering program at the University of South Alabama.
Great. The first question will be classes that you teach.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm teaching CE 102, which is Introduction to Civil Engineering program for you guys.
Cool.
And I'm also teach Transportation Engineering, which is CE 552 and
Nice.
352.
Nice.
And I also teach Transportation Geometric Design, which is CE 353. And
Great.
also I'm teaching many other graduate course.
Great. Why did you choose civil engineering?
Why? Let me recall back to my undergraduate period in high school time. Yes, I lived in the big city. I'm from South Korea, especially Seoul, which is big city. So we are surrounded by a lot of building and civil infrastructure like highway and railway and airport. So, and I was very interested in how such a building built and designed. So I'm very interested in such a built environment, so I choose that civil engineering as my major.
Great.
Yeah.
What discipline are you and why?
What discipline? Yes, my major specific field of the civil engineering is transportation engineering. And the answer to this question is related with your previous question, which is why you choose civil engineering. As I mentioned before, I lived in big city. And as you know that in big city, the traffic is a main issue, right?
Yeah.
Every day we use vehicle to move from one point to the other point. In the big city, you see a lot of transportation mode, even taxi, public transportation, and automobile.
Yeah.
And they are stopped in the signal, right? And, which means they are controlled by some traffic control device. I was very interested at the time that how the vehicle is operated and how we make it better of traffic operation. And of course, I was very interested in automobile, like you guys. I'm very interested in the new vehicle brand and the luxury car. As a child at the time, at the same time, I was very interested in how such a vehicle operates. That's why I choose transportation as a major.
Cool. How long have you taught at South?
I came here in 2012, spring semester, so it's about 5.5 years. Okay. Almost 6 years.
Nice. What makes the program here at South special?
Special? Okay. First of all, I like this civil program because all the faculty members work together, collaborate together to make this program better. We try to accommodate student need together. So we have good teamwork for the students. So that's the best thing that I believe that this South Alabama civil program is good. Okay?
Great. What advice do you have for a student while they are here at South?
There are many things that I can advise, but out of that, the first thing is keep up the good work. In other words, make your GPAs high and high. Study hard during the semester. If you study hard, then you get a good score on the course, then you have the better GPA overall, so that you have more chance to get a scholarship, and so that you don't have to work outside while you are studying. And eventually, when you're about to graduate with a good GPA, you have a better chance to get a job. Okay? Study hard.
Advice for after graduation?
Advice after graduation?
Yeah.
So you try to build your, the engineering career by getting some license, pass the exam, and get the license, so that build your working experience so that you can move to the next level if that is necessary. So you still need to study and work together with your colleague to develop yourself.
Sure.
Yeah.
Is there any research or study abroad that you are a part of?
Yes, I'm doing research for state DOT, which is about transportation engineering.
Great.
The one is right now I'm focusing on is dilemma zone study. I'm not sure that you guys are familiar with the dilemma zone. In short, let's say you are driving at the intersection. You are approaching to the intersection. Then you have signal that is changed to the yellow. If you are very close to that intersection, then you are hesitating whether you stop or go in the yellow time.
Yeah.
Different people have a different decision. You may go, I may stop, and also different people have a different speed. Some people have speed like 40 miles per hour, some people have 15 miles per hour, some people have 10 miles per hour.
Yeah.
So depending on the people's behavior, their decision to stop or go at the onset of yellow is different. We call such a range of the distance from the stop bar at the intersection, we call dilemma zone. So I'm starting dilemma zone study.
Dilemma zone.
Dilemma.
Dilemma.
You are in dilemma. You know the dilemma, right? So I'm starting dilemma zone and try to figure out which intersection have more risk of the crash because of the dilemma zone.
Nice.
Okay. One of the crash that occur because of the dilemma zone is red light running crash. You know, you have the red light, then you just pass, and then you got the crash with crossing vehicle. So I'm studying such a stuff, and I have another study, which is about the developing the tool for the state engineer to figure out which safety project is efficient. Efficient in terms of cost and benefit. So I don't want to make it long, but yeah, I'm doing several research for the state DOT.
Good luck with that. Anything else you would like to add?
I want you guys be successful for my C102, get A. So far, you guys good job in my group project.
We will.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Okay.